to my channel. My name is M.R.E.ngineering and today I'm going to talk about tire maintenance and storage. First of all, what to do if you have a puncture or damage on your tires. There is a general guideline that you can use when you encounter a damage or puncture on your tires. And this general guideline states that the punctures that are not on tread area or are in tread area but are larger than 6 millimeters in diameter, and also damage that are to the extent that make metal or fabric cores of your tire get visible, make that tire unserviceable and reject it. For other cases, you can refer to a qualified technician to decide about reuse or repair that tire. And also, when you are on the road and your tire gets punctured, as you know, you should change that punctured tire with your spare tire. And if your car is equipped with air compressor and service toolkit, use them to get to a service shop to repair your tire with a qualified rubber stem and patch. And avoid using those aftermarket sealants that are injected into the tire through inflation valves. Such products may be flammable and potentially explosive, and even can damage your tire pressure maintenance sensor and even void your tire's warranty. And finally, maintenance and storage of the tires. Probably you know that nitrogen is highly recommended to be used for inflation of high pressure tires that are used on aircrafts and some road construction machineries that have the possibility of explosion in some certain situations. And also, since this gas is inert and has bigger molecules in comparison to the oxygen of the air, it can result in better performance of these high pressure tires. But for normal passenger car and light truck tires, you can use air or any mixture of air and nitrogen that is available, and maybe you know that about 80% of the air is nitrogen. And avoid leaving your tires installed on your car for an extended period of time statically, as this situation can cause deformation to your tires structure, even though majority of these deformations disappear after a few miles of operation. And avoid contact of your tires with petroleum-based materials and liquids. And if you want to clean your tires, use non-petroleum-based cleaners that are compatible with rubber, or use simple soap and water. And also know that rubbers that are used on tires are susceptible to deterioration and oxidation when they are exposed to excessive heat, UV radiation, and oxygen and ozone that is present in the air. So try to protect your tires against sunlight, electric motors, generators, battery chargers, welding equipments, and excessive air circulations. And if you have a tire that you want to store that for a long time, try to keep that mounted on the wheel with some inflation pressure. But if you have a few tires that you want to store them for a long time without wheel, you can stand them upright and rotate them every 4 weeks, but don't pile them on each other for a long time. If you follow these recommendations, I don't see any lifetime for your tires, but many tire manufacturers recommend that you scrap the tires that have passed over 10 years since their production date. I hope that this video was useful and informative for you and worth the precious time that you spend for watching that. Please subscribe to my channel if you like, and press the bell icon to be notified if I have a new video on my channel. Bye.